Here's how simple it is to pull the headlight on these things. People make it a lot more complicated than what it is. So I'm going to try to do it one-handed. If I can get everything off of here. I've got everything loosened up. I'm going to try not to crash anything. I've got a nice thick dual layer of microfiber right there on my fender, so that way I don't crash anything. You're going to go out of focus here for a minute while I brace things so I don't have a crash. I like my blue paint. Anyway, so I got all those loose. So all you do is pick up on this whole unit and it'll come loose. Set it down onto that microfiber, and right here are your plugs. That's your turn signal plugs. Are under. The wires wrap around this stud here, and this is what your screws go into on the top side of your headlight mount. So that's the top two screws. That's what they go into. So they wrap around. They're tied in with a cable tie, and right here's your plugs. They were wrapped with these sneaky little sleeves that you can pull back, but they were wrapped with those, and so I was tracing right on by them. They were tucked way up in here like this. I've got them untucked because I've been into them a couple times. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this.